Nestled in the Boulemane province, Skoura M'Daz is a true gem for nature lovers in Morocco. This enchanting place is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, where majestic mountains meet sparkling waterfalls. Adventure seekers and hiking enthusiasts will find an ideal playground here. The waterfalls, known as chelals, cascade from cliffs, creating stunning panoramas and soothing sounds that invite contemplation. Whether you are an experienced climber or simply in search of tranquility, Skoura M'Daz offers a multitude of outdoor activities. Explore the trails that wind through this lush region, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and let yourself be captivated by the untamed beauty of nature. Skoura M'Daz is a place where every corner reveals a new, natural treasure, perfect for a rejuvenating getaway.